दोस्तों नमस्कार। मैं हूं विजय कुमार, एक लेखक। ये मेरी किताब है, इसको ज़रूर पढ़ें आप। बहुत छोटी किताब है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगी कि वास्तव में इस्लाम धर्म है या एक गुंडागर्दी है लोगों के खिलाफ, इंसानियत के खिलाफ। ये आपको मिलेगी शाश्वत पब्लिकेशन बिलासपुर पर। छोटी सी किताब है, रेट भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, इसको आप खरीद सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों आज हम, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हम कुरान की आयतों को डिबंक करते हैं, उनकी असलियत खोल खोल कर आपके सामने लाते हैं। तो आज उसी चैप्टर जो कि हमारा चल रहा है, तीसरा चैप्टर सूरह अल इमरान की 41 से लेकर 60 आयत तक हम पढ़ेंगे और ये बताने की कोशिश करेंगे कि वास्तव में इस्लाम की विचारधारा कितनी खतरनाक है, जिसको ये मौलाना लोग सही साबित करने की कोशिश करते हैं। कुरान एक फ्रॉड है, एक बदनीयती है इंसानियत के खिलाफ। तो इसको अब हम पढ़ते हैं और इसको हम आपको 60 आयतों का पूरा इनका सिराजा दिखाएंगे। इनकी हम असलियत आपके सामने लाएंगे और बताएंगे कि किस तरह मौलाना झूठ बोलकर इस्लाम को सच्चा साबित करने की कोशिश करते हैं, जबकि वास्तव में इस्लाम एक गैर मुस्लिमों के खिलाफ एक सर्टिफाइड गुंडागर्दी है। तो ये आज का मेरा वीडियो। सॉरी टू से माय डियर फ्रेंड, दिस वीडियो इन इंग्लिश, so we will recite, not the recite, but we will read the all verses of the Quran chapter Al Imran. So the first verse, I think 61 देखते हैं। ये आ गई, ये 58, ये आ गई। So as we completed 60 verses of the Quran, some in Hindi and some in English, now we will discuss all these verses from 61 chapter Al Imran, from 61 to I think 80. I will see it. Yes, 41 to 60. Sorry. (41 to 60). Yes. Now let us start. Please subscribe my channel, put the bell icon so you get notification well in time. He said, "My Lord, my Allah, make me a sign." He said, "Your sign is that you will not be able to speak to the people for 3 days except by gesture, and remember your Allah much and exalted, with him praise the evening in the morning." So in this verse it has been stated that one man say that, "Please make me your sign." Then Allah replied, "My sign is that you will not able to speak for 3 days." It is not possible. No one can do this because there is no Allah. Allah is the fallacy. And mention when the angel said, "O Mary, indeed Allah has chosen you and purified you and chosen you above the women of the world." O Mary means the Maryam, the mother of Jesus. This is not belong to the Islam. This is belong to the Christianity at all. But here Muhammad was a clever. He was a great thief. He theft all the verses, almost all the verses of the Judaism, the book of the Torah, and the Bible, the Old Testament of Bible, which is alike or which is the same, the book of the Torah. Torah means the Old Testament Bible. Old Testament Bible means Torah, the same. So, angel never said to Mary that Allah has chosen you, because Maryam or the Mary never describe about the Allah in the Bible. So this verse is totally bundle of jokes or bundle of fallacy. So Allah never tried to say that you are above all the world. This is the only the verse which was written by Muhammad by the advice of his brother-in-law Warqa bin Noble, who was born Christian. Until death he was a Christian. who was the first cousin of his first wife, born Christian. Khadija bin Khalid converted to Islam, the first Muslim woman. O Mary means, O Maryam, be devotedly obedient to your Allah and prostrate and bow the will those who base. This is the baseless verse because Allah has no relation. The Mary or the Maryam, which is in Islam, Mary converted as a Maryam, as Ibrahim. So these all verses are the stupidity and the fallacy and stolen by the Judaism. 44. This is from the news of unseen, which we reveal you. Then who is the unseen? There is no unseen at all. The seen, there was the seen person who was the Muhammad, who created so many verses of Quran, almost all verses of Quran, by the help of his brother-in-law, as I earlier told you. O Muhammad, and you were not with them, then they cast their pains as to which of them should be responsible for Mary, nor were you with them when they dispute. So there is no relevancy in this verse because Maryam or the Mary is not related to Islam anymore. 45. And mention when the angel said, O Maryam, instead Allah gives you good tidings of a world from him. This is totally false because Mary never described Allah, his savior, the God. But the God of the Mary was the Yahuwah or the Yahweh as described in Judaism and the Old Testament of the Bible, means Christianity. Whose name will be Messiah? Jesus, the son of the Mary. Jesus, son of the Mary, is only the Messiah of the Christians. Though by the cunningness of the Muhammad, he made Jesus as the Isa, अर्बनाइजेशन अरबीकरण कर दिया उसका, एंड द मेरी एज ए मरियम इन द अरेबिक लैंग्वेज. सो मोहम्मद वाज ए क्लेवर फ्रॉड and a greatest liar of this world, self-proclaimed prophet. He was not prophet at all. He is a cunning person and the brutal and the cruel person at all. This is the reality about the Muhammad. 46. He will speak to the people in the cradle and in maturity and will be of the righteousness. Allah is not righteousness because Allah is not nowhere. If Allah is there, He is very cruel and brutal against the non-Muslims. So Allah is a full of crimes. Allah is the creator of the crimes. Allah is the Khuda of the crime. Allah is a gangster, having the gang of the rapists, killers, and the robbers in the shape of Muhammad and his followers, known as the Muslims. 47. She said, Maryam never said to Allah, but here in this verse it has been stated, My Lord, how will I have a child when no man has touched me? The angel said, such is Allah. He creates that He will. When He decrees a matter, He only says. This all verse copy-paste from the Bible, Old Testament, or from the Judaism book of the Torah. Mary never said to any Allah. Mary does not know who was the Allah. Even before the 610, nobody knows about the Allah because Allah was created by Muhammad. This is the cunningness of the self-proclaimed prophet, rather oblique, a rapist, robber, and killers of the non-Muslims. And He will teach him writing and wisdom and the Torah and the Gospel. Nobody can teach and write Torah and Gospel because Allah was not present. Allah was not born when the Torah and the Old Testament of Bible had been written. So this is only the fraud, all these verses. Now 49. And make him a messenger to the children of Israel. Who are the children of Israel? According to the book of the Torah and the Old Testament Bible, children of Israel are the Jews. And after that of the Christian, Jesus, many Christians converted as many Jews converted as Christians. So there no relevancy in these verses because these verses has stolen from the Bible, Old Testament or the Torah. Indeed, I have come to you with a sign with your Lord in that I design for you from clay. This is totally false. Scientific evidences has proved that man not designed by the clay but due to the evolution, like the form of the bird. Bird. Then I breathe into and becomes a bird by permission of Allah. How it can possible that birth made from the clay? This story is a only fairy tale written in Torah and Bible also. And I cure the blind and the leper. Nobody can blind and the leper without any medicine. Even Monica Besra, I have written my book, Discriminated Hindus. Mother Teresa could not heal the Monica Besra, a Hindu woman. But after the medication, she was healthy. So Mother Teresa was also a fruitful lady. When you are a saint, then there will be no discrimination into between the any Hindu, Muslim or Christians. But he always tried to convert Christianity into Christianity of the non-Muslim, non-Christians. So she was also a fraud, hypocrite, and the demon. 50. And I have come confirming what was before me of the Torah. Here is description of Torah. But Torah has no relation with Allah. To make lawful for you some which was forbidden to you. So Allah not make lawful, but the God of the Judaism, that is Yahweh or the Jehovah, make lawful for the Christian and the Jews, not for the Muslims. And Allah has no significance value in the books of the non-Muslim books. Even Allah was not mentioned because Allah was not born before the Christianity born or the Judaism born or the Sanatan Vedism born. And I have come to you with sign from your Lord. So fear Allah. Why the Christian will fear Allah? When there is no Allah, there is no Quran, there is no Muhammad in the book of the Judaism and the Christianity, even the Muslim, Hindus. So Allah is a fallacy, fairy tale story created by Muhammad. Indeed, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship Him. That is straight path. Allah is nothing, Lord. Allah is nowhere in Allah. So it is not useful or it is in vain to worship any Allah. If Allah is a fallacy, suppose Allah is there, then worship Allah means you are the cruel, you are the brutal, you are the rapist, you are the killer, murderer. Because Allah allowed to do such heinous crimes to the Muslims. So Muslim is the gang of the terrorist, perfect terrorism, if they do accordingly as written in the Quran. 52. But when Jesus felt persistence in disbelief from them, He said, who are my supporters for the cause of Allah? Jesus never said that who is cause for Allah, because Jesus do not know any Allah and not any description of the Allah in the Bible. So this is the great thief is Muhammad, who theft so many verses of the Torah or the Old Testament Bible. So this is a false prophet. This is a fraud prophet known as Muhammad. We are supporters for Allah. This disciple said. No disciple which were the Christian never said that we are supporter Allah. This verse is false. This is the fairy tale. We have believed in Allah and testified that we are Muslim. No Christian, no Jews will say that we believe in Allah and we are non-Muslim. This is the only a fairy tale story. Then Judaism or Jewish were proclaimed as our God is Allah, then why the Jews were fighting against the Muslims? And why the Muslims are killing the Jews? This is the fraud. This book is the fraud. These all verses are the fraud. Today I am reading these verses. And the Jews will planned, but Allah planned, and Allah is the best of planner. Allah is not a best of the planner, but Allah is a rogue element created by Muhammad in the shape of the puppet by the Muhammad. So Allah is a rogue element. 55. Mention when Allah said, "Oh Jesus, indeed I will take you and raise you to myself and purify you from those who disbelieve and make those who follow you in submission to Allah alone." Never Jesus said, Allah never said to Jesus, because Jesus never claimed that Allah said to me, because Allah was there. Allah was not born at that time. There was no existence of Allah when Jesus was born. Allah is 642 years younger than Jesus. So Allah should respect the Jesus, not Jesus should respect Allah, because Allah is a पहले से. You in सब अच्छा. Superior to those who disbelieve until the day of resurrection. There will be no resurrection. All are false, whether in Judaism, Christianity, or the Islam. I think resurrection does. Jews do not believe in resurrection. Only Christian and Muslims. Then, to me, to your return, I will judge between you concerning that. Allah cannot judge, but Allah is not a good judge. He is stupid at all. He is cruel and brutal. How can be a good judge of Allah? Allah cannot be a good judge at all. And for those who disbelieved, I will punish them with a severe punishment in this world and hereafter, and they will have no help. Allah have no power to punish anybody, because Allah itself has to prove its existence. Where there is no Allah, the puppet cannot do anything against the human beings. Only the Muslims, who is the gang of the Allah, are trying to kill the non-Muslims, or planning to nuisance throughout the world, or the violence on the nuisance. So Allah army is the gang of the killers, rapists, and the robbers. 57. But as for those who believed and did righteous deed, He will give them full their reward. Allah does not like the wrongdoers. How can Allah give the reward to the righteous deeds? Because no Muslim can do righteous deeds after reading the Quran and Allah therapy. Allah therapy makes a simple person who was born as a Muslim into a rogue person, killer, rapist, and the wrongdoers. Allah itself wrongdoers. Muhammad was wrongdoers. And all are the gangs of the criminals. 58. This is what we recite you, O Muhammad, or our verses, and then the prescribed was. No Christian says that we will recite the Allah. This is only the self-praising of the Muhammad, that the superior is the Muslims, but Muslim is not the superiors, because they are teaching by the stupid Allah and the illiterate Muhammad, who does not know what is the good, what is the wrong. So Muhammad was a mentally retarded person, or the rogue person. Indeed, the example Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam. No. Jesus never praised Allah. Jesus never known to Allah. Who is Allah? According to Christian, there is no Allah at all. According to me, Allah is all fallacy, or the false creation of the Muhammad by his own vested interest, to looting the women of the kafirs and rape with them as a malka yamin, or the sex slave. So this Allah's theory is totally stupidity and the cruelty against the non-Muslims. He created him for dust. Then he said to him, be and he was. There is no possibility to creation of man with a dust. This is the greatest lies of these verses. The truth is from your Lord. Do not among the depths. If you are some intelligent person, you have some intelligence, you cannot be a Muslim, because followers of Islam means Muslim is a synonymous or the reflection of the mirror of the brutality and the robbers and the pedophile and the rapist as per Quranic verses. So this was my video. Thank you very much. See you.